journey on YouTube. So I'm a baby YouTuber and I've been posting consistently on YouTube for the last 4 months. Yes, 4 months. 1, 2, 3, 4 months. So I want to give you my story. I want to give you my journey, my YouTube journey. It has been a lot. It has been happening behind the scenes since I joined YouTube. I joined YouTube on 22nd December 2025. That was my first day that I joined YouTube. And the reason I joined YouTube is because I was laid off where I was working. So I decided that I'll become a create my channel and explore my creativity, share my skills, teach people, educate, and on the way, enjoying the process. I'll give you my analytic overview for the first month that I was on YouTube. My first month on YouTube hasn't been easy. It has been a lot of work. It has been a lot of consistency, burnout along the way. I've learned a lot of things. So I've seen so many things changing. YouTube started changing my life for the better. And also advise you, if you are creative and you feel like you have something that you want to share with other people outside where you are in the world, you can also join YouTube, have a plan, and start executing. How can I call them? These people are teaching people how to get views, how to unlock the algorithm. You cannot unlock the algorithm. What you need to do is do your work, remain consistent, and algorithm will do its work. My first month journey on YouTube since I joined. So when I joined YouTube, there's so many things that I was doing and I was not doing right. Or let me say, like when I joined YouTube, there are some things that I didn't know, like setting up my channel profile, my home page, my home tab, stuff like that. So along the way during that month, I managed to at least update myself on those things. The first day I created the channel, I posted the video, but I couldn't get so much engagement, no likes, no views, because creating the same video was hell. It wasn't easy. It was very hard, but I managed and took off. That's how I started creating my videos. So when you join YouTube, you are advised to sometimes niche down, or maybe you find a suitable niche that suits you, or maybe theme that suits what you are going to be creating. So for me, I decided to niche down. I decided to pick food content, and that's what I've been doing. And I've been doing on cooking day and night. I've been cooking, editing, posting, scheduling my schedule from other days, because it reached a point that YouTube now gave me data when my viewers are online. Maybe we should jump to the analytic for the first month journey and see how my journey was, how I performed, and how things were. Creating content is not easy. Creating content, it needs time, it eats your time, and it needs a lot of your time. In fact, when you are a baby YouTuber, a small creator, or a young channel, creating is not easy, because you need to learn how to edit, you need to learn so many things, keywords, to learn about hashtags, how to package your content and to present to YouTube for easy algorithm pick and push. So along the way, that's the things that I've learned, and so many other things that I'll be sharing. Most important, the things that I've shared, I've learned for my journey on YouTube. So I want to jump into analytic and share how my first month on YouTube looked like for the first month. And I'll be doing this. I'll be bringing up to date of my YouTube journey. I'll be doing a series of my YouTube journey updates. So I'll be doing January, February, March up to where I am right now. As it stands right now, I have 200 and almost 10 videos, and I have 110. I have those number of subscribers, and for each and every one of you, thank you so much. You mean a lot to me. You're the number that keeps me going, keeps me pushing. This is my for the last 28 days, I've gained 24,400 k views, and my watch time hour is 95.2 hours. So my subscription for the last 28 gained 25 subscribers, and thank you so much for each one of you who have joined my account this time. I say so much thank you, and all those who joined before, thank you so much. You mean a lot to me. The 110 of you, you mean a lot to me. I've learned that you inspire me a lot. You keep me pushing. You keep me waking up each and every time, making sure that I sleep late because of editing, and making sure that my videos stand out. Thank you so much. And also, I've actually realized that YouTube just added an all feature into our YouTube studio. So right now you can actually talk to all. Like right now we can even ask, how did viewers find my channel, my content? You can see that suggestion. So if I ask that question, you can see. So this is what the feedback it has given me. The response I'm getting from this AI from YouTube is graphic sources. So you see, it has indicated short feeds, how many views I got, how many percentage it represent, brewers features, YouTube search, insight, recommendation, it can even advise you what to do, optimizing for search and stuff. It breaks down everything for you, and makes it easier for you to understand like exactly what you are going to do next if you have problem with your account. So let's jump to first month, January. I want to share my January journey. So we click here, we customize, then we select from. So we are going to look from 22nd December when I joined YouTube to 22nd January when I'd already posted some few videos. Actually it's December. Yeah, December is here. Yes. Then here we select January, 22nd January. There. Then you scroll down, apply. There we are. So my first month, period, you can see in the selected period your channel got 6,000. I got 6,258 views. That first month that I started posting on YouTube, I had 6,258 views, and you can see even my watch time hours was 30.8 hours. That's what I got in my first month of posting. Then I gained 21 plus subscribers. So clap for me. My first month was hell, was not easy. It was the first time of creating videos, and let's just not go there because it was not easy. But it's a decision I took that I'll be posting. I'm going to create and post on YouTube. The first day of creating this channel, I posted a video on 22nd. You can see how it was performing. You can see the graph, the arrow. You can see it reached here and then it drops. So along the way, after posting the first video, that month I posted another 3 videos, so it made up to 4 videos, and I had 6 shots that month of January. And I also get all these updates and data from YouTube Studio, because the only best place you can get your insight analytic. I didn't have any post. All in general, this is what it looks like in that month. In that month, views 1k views, you can see, and videos had 13 views. You can imagine, I had 4 videos but I had only 13 views. So for my, then that is new viewers. Didn't have any regular view, you can see it's 0. And subscribers, I had shorts brought in 11 subscribers, videos brought in 285 views. For my typical views remains, that is for first 28 days, it's 630 to 820. Those are shorts pulling those strokes and those spikes. My videos were averaging from 10 to 40, as in it has been. So impressions and how they led to watch time. Impressions, you can see it's 7.7k. Then we have 4.1 click-through rate, and the views from impression is 288. So 1.10 average view duration. Watch time from impressions was 5.6. So a larger percentage, you can see a larger percentage is short feeds. Short feeds stands for 79.1%. Traffic source, this is the source. So these all these were from that time. Then viewers across format. So shorts pulls 77%, and they both watch my shorts and videos at 23%, and the videos only no one watch, only they both. So all viewers watch my content, both short and video. So lastly, on the status of my channel. So far so good, things are not bad. So far I have 24,400k views. I have 95.2 watch time hours, and I have 110 subscribers. Thank you so much. So all that said, kindly subscribe and show love. Comment on the comment section. Tell me the motivation behind you joining YouTube and start becoming a creator. My name is Jayuga. Check me next. Bye bye.